In my last video, I showed you how to build a stacking robot using ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use that same robot to flip a $10 account to $300 in one morning in less than 6 hours. So let me show you. Let's jump right in. So after spotting a reversal, that particular trade, this is the trade, that particular trade I took. After spotting a reversal, after this big bearish candle, then this new bullish candle print indicating that the price is likely to reverse to this EMA before continuing whichever direction. So this was my entry. This point particularly, this bullish candle closed at 6 a.m. GMT plus 1 my time. That was when this candle closed, and that was when the robot started taking buy trades towards this target, towards my target here. Let me show you how it is on the 5 minute time frame. So this is it on the 5 minute time frame. This is 6. So this is exactly where that bullish candle closed, and this is where we are supposed to start, where the robot is supposed to start taking buy trades towards our target, which is here. But you have to wait, like when the price crosses again above this 21 EMA, you can still start from here. You can still put the robot on your chart from here and to stack all the way to this place. If you want to be more conservative, you can wait for it to cross the 21 EMA, then you put it here. So the robot will start taking buys from here. For every bullish, the close of every bullish candle, it open new buy trades, and the close of every sell candle, it open new sell trade. If it's a sell, if your bias is a sell bias, but on this situation is a buy, and this is our target. And around 6 a.m. in the morning my time, that was when the trade started. So I put the bot, and the bot started taking buys for every new bullish candle that prints. Every new bullish candle, it took buys all the way to this our target here. I think the bot even hit the $300 target, profit target, before it actually reached this limit that we marked for it. Let me check the chart. Let me check my MT5 for the actual trades. So this is my MT5. This is the actual trade I took that morning. This is the actual trade that robot took that morning. Let me cancel this. So the robot started taking buy trade from this. If you check this candle, this is 6 a.m. candle. So the robot started taking buys for every bullish candle. For every close of every bullish candle, it takes new buy trade, and just around this corner, this is where it hit our profit target, and we're done for the day. It did not even reach this this peak. It did not reach the target before it hit our profit target. You see how very effective this strategy is. This stacking strategy, it's called progressive stacking. So you not enter, there are two types of stacking. The one that you stack audio trade all at once, that one is more risky, but this one is beginner friendly. Anybody can do this. The bot started taking buys from here, and before we are, how many pips up were we? See from here to this place, I think that is about 70 pips. 70 pips move, and we are already done for the day, and we already hit our profit target for the day. If there's anything you not understand in this video, drop a comment, I'll reply you. Also, if you're having trouble If you're having trouble building this robot with ChatGPT, using ChatGPT, don't worry. I've sent this same robot that I used to trade this account. This exact same robot. I sent it to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. If you need this same robot, just go to the Telegram, copy the code. You don't need to go through ChatGPT again to get the robot. Just go to Telegram, copy the code, paste it on your meta editor, and you have the same robot here. The same robot that I used to pass to trade that account. The same robot that I used to flip that account is on my Telegram channel, and the link is in the description. I think that's all for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.